Welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss e-commerce unit number 1 explanation video. Okay, so in this video I will purely explain the subject in English language so that everybody can understand. So after this videos I will upload the videos in Telugu also, so those who want to watch in Telugu you can watch those videos. So for understanding purpose, those who don't know Telugu, for them I am doing this explanation video. Okay, so from unit number 1 ma, the first important question I have given, what are the various e-commerce models? Okay, what are the various e-commerce models we are having? Okay, models is nothing about the types. Okay, what is e-commerce? Electronic commerce. What is commerce? Means buying and selling of goods and services is a commerce. E means electronic commerce, means buying and selling of goods and services through online. If you are using digitally, that is called e-commerce. Okay, it can be classified into different types. For example, B2B means B2B transactions. We will say B2B e-commerce, that is business to business e-commerce. Here the business to business e-commerce is nothing but where one business is taking the transactions, sharing the transaction to another business, means two companies we are having in this. For example, I have given EDI system, electronic data interchange, and EFT system, electronic fund transfer system. These are the examples of it. Next, what are the types of e-commerce you are having? Next type is business to consumer. Business to consumer is nothing but where business person, retailer or seller, okay, organizations, when they are exchanging transactions from buyer and seller, that is called business to consumer transactions. Next, consumer to business transactions. There are some other platforms where consumer itself goes to the organizational website. For example, Flipkart and Amazon. Okay, here Amazon and Flipkart will not offering anything, but we itself opening that app and we are doing our shopping according to our interest. Means customer is going to the business point of view, that is called consumer to business e-commerce. Next, you are having consumer to consumer e-commerce also we are have, where one consumer is depending on another consumer. For example, OLX means a person's car is selling to the B persons. Okay, so that is called, means already consumer and consumer, two consumers are exchanging their products, that is called consumer to consumer e-commerce. Next, you are having business to employee e-commerce. What is this business to employee? Business is depending on the employee thing, not depending, doing the transactions. Okay, hikes, intranet incentives, this type of things is known as this fifth point. Next, you are having non-profit e-commerce. Non-profit means nothing but NGOs, like charitable trust. You will have no, that type of e-commerce also we are having. Okay, government to citizen e-commerce means governments also will provide some type of e-commerce. Means for example, pensions, everything will comes in a bank account only. No, bank is nothing but e-commerce. Okay, so like that. Or next, intra-organizational e-commerce. Intra-organizational e-commerce is nothing but using internet services. Okay, that is called intra-organizational e-commerce. So out of this many types, remember only 5 to 6 types, that is enough for your answer. Okay, only 5 to 6 types: business to business, business to consumer, consumer to business, non-profit organizations e-commerce, government to citizen e-commerce, intra-organizational e-commerce. This type of 6 is enough. And the second question is, what are the various applications we are having in e-commerce? General we can easily get to know more. What are the applications? What are the apps we'll use in our phone? That you can write it over here. Means applications. What are the various applications we are using? The first one is e-entertainment. That is electronic entertainment. Sorry, it is not entertainment, it is advertisement. Sorry. So e-advertisement is nothing but electronic advertisement, where advertisement is taking electronically through online. See, if you open a YouTube, if you open any website, you will get to know the some advertisements. No, that is called e-advertisement. E-marketing means doing the product marketing through e-commerce, means you are showing the online marketing. Okay, so your product details you are showing it to the in digitally, that is called e-marketing. What is e-banking? E-banking is nothing but banking transactions. Okay, banking transactions we'll use, no, that is e-banking. Online trading, Bitcoin, Binomo, will do that trading, no? That one. E-shopping, like for example, Flipkart, Amazon, Meesho, like this type of things. E-shopping, electronically we can do shopping also. E-learning, through using online we can use to learn the Zoom. Okay, Zoom we can attend, webinars we can attend, and classes, various technical courses, certification courses also we can do. M-commerce is nothing but mobile commerce. E-entertainment, generally we can write to know, we can write it. Okay, so this PDF I have already uploaded in Telegram group, you can watch it over there if you're having any further doubts. Okay, next important question is impact of e-commerce on business model. So this is also known as three pillar e-commerce, also we can call it as. Okay, three pillar e-commerce or impact of e-commerce on business model is one and the same. There are four types of impacts, ma. The first one is traditional value. Traditional value is nothing but without using any online, supplier and consumer. If you want to reach a product to consumer, these are the various stages now it is having: inbound logistics, production, outbound logistics. So this is a traditional value change, means before using any electronically, manually we'll go to the market, we will shop and we'll come back to the home. Like this type of things are traditional value change. Next, consumer oriented value change. Consumer oriented value change is nothing but consumer is willing to take that product. Okay, that is called consumer itself is oriented to value that change. Next, three pillars. Three pillars is very much important. Separately also they can ask this three pillars. Three pillars means nothing but information, communication and transaction. It was developed by Peter Finger. What is this information, communication and transaction? First, when you open your website, first you will get to know about the information about your product, detailed information. Then you can communicate with that person who is offering that information, who is showing about the product. Next, transaction and distribution also we can do. We will do the payment and we will distribute the service also. So in detail I have explained everything. And the fourth one you will have ICDT model. ICDT model is nothing but I stands for information, C stands for communication, D stands for distribution, T is transaction. Here ICDT is nothing but four types. Okay, so information, communication, distribution and transaction. Just now we have discussed, no, in general what is this transaction. When you will do the phone pay or Google Pay or any type of payments through digitally, that is called transaction only, no. Within seconds you will generate the invoice, everything. So that is the thing. Okay, okay, so this is the four questions you need to learn in unit number 1, ma. Okay, all the very best for your examination. If you are having any further doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. See you all in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss the unit number 2, e-commerce explanation. So previously I have already uploaded unit number 1. In this video we will discuss unit number 2. In unit number 2, the first important question is cryptography, that is also known as encryption techniques. Compulsory, we can expect this question in long answer, that is for 8 marks. What is this cryptography is nothing but it is the storage of transmitting data over network which can be accessed to people which is intended to send. For example, if I am sending hi message to you in WhatsApp, this message should be gone to you. See, while transferring this message to you through network, there are various chances, heavy chances of data hacking. So what this cryptography will do, it will give security to your data. Okay, so here crypto is nothing but hidden, crypto is hidden, graphic is written. That is hidden written means the text whatever I am sending, that it will be converted into binary language. Means binary language is nothing but 1 and 0, so that you are having the security over here. How many types of encryption techniques you are having? This is the encryption techniques. What are those encryption techniques? It will convert plain text into unclear text. For example, hi I am sending, that is converted into 01 or 10 binary language, so that you can't decode that message. So that is the thing, it is called encryption techniques. So encryption is ciphering, decryption is deciphering. So encryption is ciphering is nothing but it will convert the message into binary language, that is called ciphering. What is deciphering? Deciphering is nothing but converting the unclear language into plain text. Okay, so what are the types of encryption techniques? Means there are two types, ma. First one is symmetric encryption, second one is asymmetric encryption. In symmetric encryption, what is this encryption is symmetric means sender is sending the plain text, means sender is sending hi message, it will be encoded. Okay, next it will transmit to the network, it will be decoded, means it will convert into binary language, and after here in the network you are having a chance of to get hack your message. So here it is converting your message into binary language. So after transferring from the network, it will be decoded like hi. So here it is ciphering, here it is deciphering. Like that, this symmetric encryption will be there. In symmetric encryption, again two types of symmetric encryptions are there. The first one is single and single and triple. Single, just now we have discussed, this is the single. What is triple encryption? Means having the three passwords for the data. Means when a sender is sending the message, here it will convert into plain text, then encryption 1, encryption 2, encryption 3, then it will goes to the network, then it will cipher. Okay, again encryption 3 password it will open, after that encryption 2, encryption 1, then it will convert into plain text and it will be shown to the receiver. Means once if you are keeping a passwords, means 3 levels of passwords will be there in triple symmetric encryption. Okay, this diagram you need to represent in your answer. Okay, next asymmetric. Asymmetric is nothing but where sender and buyer are having two different keys. Keys is nothing but passwords type things. Okay, every person will have public key and private key. Private key should not be disclosed to others, only public key should be disclosed to others. That's the thing. So here sender is sharing his public key, where receiver is opening the PDF with his public key. Okay, so it will have a no chance to hack your data. So this is called asymmetric encryption. Asymmetric encryption and symmetric encryption, single encryption is same only, but here in asymmetric two types of keys will be there. Means private key and public key. Like this type of things you are having in your first answer. Next, what is the second answer? What is protocol? What are the different types of protocols we are having? Protocol is nothing but we are using in OSI model or protocol, answer will be same only. What is this means? OSI stands for open system interconnection. Means where it will used by the when two systems are connected over network, means one system and another system is connected over a network to share the data, to share the documents, then we need to compulsory have this OSI. Without OSI we can't do the data transformation. So in this OSI there are 7 types of layers are there: application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, physical layer. So these are the 7 types of layers we are having. As it is, you need to remember it. In application layer there are HTTP, HTTPS. HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol. HTTPS means hypertext transfer protocol secured. Okay, FTP means file transfer protocol. All these protocols, what it will do, it will help you to transfer your data from one computer to another computer. Okay, next you are having SMTP. SMTP means nothing but simple mail transfer protocol. Telnet, where you need to transfer your telenet to remote places. If you are in another state also, you can access your computer and you can share your data. So this type of protocols you are having. In each layer, if you remember 2 also, it will be okay. Okay, not much important, especially concentrate on symmetric and asymmetric encryption answers. Okay, and the third question you are having, architectural framework of e-commerce. How a e-commerce is framed, how a e-commerce is designed, that is called architectural framework. So in this also there are different types of levels are there. The first one is application level. So in this application level, what it will do, it will have a different types of e-commerce. So in first unit we have already learned business to business, business to consumer, consumer to business. This is the different types of application services we are having. Next one, brokerage services. Brokerage services is nothing but where it will have a money related organization to complete the order. For example, you are paying to these other persons to complete, to finish your order. That is called brokerage services, means they are doing service for the money. Okay, next one, interface and support layers. Interface and support layer is nothing but it is used to interactive catalogs, means when a customer will attracts to their product, means when they are interested to create, when they are, whatever the catalogs you are providing to the customer, it should be understandable, it should be willing to the customer to buy that product. Okay, next one, secured messaging. Security will be there. Middleware services is nothing but mediator services. Network infrastructure means just I am learning, I am saying the flowcharts. If you like that type of steps, if you remember, means in examination also in general you need to write it by your own. Network infrastructure is nothing but there are two types of networks, wired network and wireless network. Wired network is nothing but coaxial fiber we'll use, no, and wireless is nothing but Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, satellite. This type of things are wireless infrastructure, where network, through network also we can transfer the data. Okay, so this is all about the unit number 2. If you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. Only 3 questions I have explained here in this unit. Encryption, data encryption techniques is one of the main important question, so be perfect with that. Remaining 2 also you can check out that, and if you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. See you all in the next video. Bye bye everyone. All, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we are discussing unit number 3, e-commerce explanation. So e-commerce, previously I have done unit number 1 and 2. So if you didn't know about that, means do check out in our channel, you will easily get to know about the unit number 1, unit number 2 explanation. Okay, unit number 3 is consumer oriented e-commerce. This is very easy to understand it. Okay, the first question is, what is consumer oriented e-commerce applications? Means as we are all our consumers, whatever the e-commerce applications we will use in day-to-day activities, they are divided into 4 types. Means that is, first one is basic services. In basic services, for example, through phone, through online, we can check out our bills, no, current bill, gas bill. Through phone pay we can clear that bills also, means account status, how much is our account balance, withdrawing the cash payment, the transactions. So these are all basic services where we can easily get to know by the e-commerce. What is the intermediate services? Means where you can get to know about your monthly and daily basis of your non-banking and maintenance. And advanced services is nothing but when you want to share the lump sum amount. For example, if you want to share 2 to 5 lakhs at one time, that time phone pay, Google Pay, whatever it might be, it won't be possible. So that time compulsory you need to have the additional services, means stock exchange, share market value, this type of things you are having. So in detail I have explained that. So this is not much important question. So the most important question is mercantile process model. So mercantile process model is one of the most important question. So in this mercantile process model, what is this means? Consumer as well as this supplier, means buyer as well as the supplier, where both have quality and reduce the cost of a product in an effective manner. Means when buyer and seller are performing this mercantile process model, automatically they can reduce their cost for their things. Okay, here in this mercantile process model there are 2 types of models. Okay, the first one is in consumer's perspective, in consumer point of view. Second one is merchant point of view. In consumer point of view, there are 7 steps. The first one is product or service touch. So what is this product or service search? Means when, if you want to get to know about some iPhone thing, first you will open your mobile and you will browse what is the iPhone, best iPhone thing, what are the features. Means the information you will get, no, that is the first step we will do. Okay, next what you will do, you will shop and product various attributes, means in that thing you will comparison, no, in Flipkart how much is the rate, in Amazon how much is the rate, like that you will compare yourself to whether to buy that product or not. Next, in the third step, what we will see, what is the price of that product and whenever it will be delivered. This is the also things we will do, that is the third step. Okay, what is the fourth step? After, if you everything you are okay, you will place your order. Fifth step, authorizing your payment, means once if you have balance is debited, automatically you will get to know about your generation of your bill, right? If you want to order something in Flipkart, you are ordering, you are paying the bill, so you will easily get to know that bill also, no, immediately. So that is the e-commerce they have using receipt of the product, you will get the receipt only, no. And after that, if you are having any further doubts, you can do the customer service support also. In generally we can elaborate these points. Okay, if you remember that points, you can easily elaborate it. Okay, that's what I have elaborated here. Next, you are having in merchant point of view, what are the steps you are having. So customer will inquire, no, so that is the first step of the mercantile process in merchant point of view. Second one, he will do the cost estimation. Third one, he will generate the receipt. If consumer want to receive a receipt, he need to generate, no. Next, selection and priority. Selection and priority is nothing but what type of product that a computer does a customer as required. So that is the selection. Next, the scheduling. Scheduling is nothing but on which time you need to be schedule the delivery. Okay, next, after that you will deliver your product to the customer. After that, any billing and payment issues if you are having, you will check, and later that customer service support you are having. In detail I am explaining that also. Okay, you need to explain in your answer. So this is the two questions. EPS is also important, that is electronic payment system, like that is nothing but phone pay, Google Pay, debit, credit card, debit card, this type of things. Okay, so this is all about the unit number T. If you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. See you all in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss e-commerce unit number 4 explanation. Okay, so previously I have done all the explanation videos of e-commerce. Just check out in our channel, you will easily understand it. Okay, in unit number 4 of e-commerce, the first important question is types of EDI. What is this EDI? Means electronic data interchange, means electronically we are sharing our data, that is called EDI. Means computer to computer exchange of business documents. Means if we are having a client meeting where one client is in America and another client is in India, means we will share the documents only, no. So that is the thing is called as electronic data interchange. Okay, so in this electronic data interchange, there are two types of data interchange. The first one is partially EDI, next one is fully integrated EDI. Partially EDI is nothing but half of the paperwork you will have, half of the electronic work you will have. Means half work paper will be included, that is called partial. Partial is nothing but half EDI system only, remaining half you are using paperwork only, no. Half digital work and half paperwork is known as partial EDI. What is fully integrated EDI? Fully integrated is nothing but using the electronic data only to transfer your data only electronically, not using any paperwork. That is called fully integrated EDI. Okay, so what are the different types of things you are having? Means the first one is direct EDI, means where business and business is sending their documents to the one and the same. Next one, EDI van you will have, means company itself will make a mailbox to the storage location. There in partner 1 what is the information they are needed, in partner 2 what is the information they are needed, that it can be splitted by your own. Okay, so that is called EDI van. Third one is EDI AS2, accounting statement 2, that is AS2 is nothing but accounting statements 2. What it will do means it will data whatever you are sharing to the other persons, it will be secured, okay, and it will store the data which is having the digital signatures and the cryptography and encryption, okay. And the last one you are having web EDI. Web EDI is nothing but where the company documents are interchanged with the help of server, okay. With the help of server, if you are changing your business documents to another person, means that is called web EDI. So this diagrams whatever is there, that you need to be represent in your answer booklet also. It is also compulsory a thing, okay. Next one you are having EDI applications. EDI applications, just you make a look of that, not much important, but I am saying, okay. Next important question is legal security and privacy issues of EDI. For example, where one country and another country is not one and the same, means in India we are having a rupee, in America we are having a dollar, means rupee is not equal to dollar, no. That time what are the legal facilities we will face, means whatever the product we are having, that in some countries it might be banned, okay. In some countries it might be not allowed. So that type of things will be happen in that time. What are the legal security we need to be perfect, okay. The first one is rupees, that is money. In the terms of money, we should be more conscious about that, okay. And there are different types of EDIs, just now we have discussed, no, what are the legal things we are having, means delayed communication we will do, okay. So this type of things if you remember, means it will be okay, but not much important, but I'm saying it, okay. EDI standards is important for 2 marks, and digital signature, this type of questions will be expected in 2 marks only. So 2 marks compulsory they will ask this type of questions. So EDI types and legal security is important from unit number 4. So this PDF already I have uploaded in a Telegram group. Just check out for the Telegram group. Link is given in the description box. If you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. See you on the next video. Bye everyone. All, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss e-commerce unit number 5 explanation. Previously I have already done the explanation video of other units in e-commerce. If you want to know about that, you can check out in our channel for the videos, okay. So in 5th unit the first important question is e-marketing techniques, means what are the techniques will be performed by marketing through online, okay. In online, what are the different types of things will be performed, that is called e-marketing techniques. That is the most important question. What is e-marketing? E-marketing is also known as online advertising, which using internet to express or to promote their product, till the customer, that is called e-marketing. What are the different techniques we will use, means the first technique is search engine and directory system. Search engine ante enti? What is this search engine? Means when a thing we are searching, automatically we'll get to know the whatever the product they are having, about that product, everything, the information. If you google about something, means you will easily get the information of that product too. That is the first one. Second one is solicited targeted email. Targeted email means daily we'll get the emails about some colorful text, images, that type of things. If we'll coming, means we'll easily get to attract to open that mail. So that is called targeted email, okay. Next, third one is interactive sites. Interactive sites is nothing but where a customer attention is an interactive sites, means it will create a benefit offers like coupons, anything. To buy a product, they will do some all the strategies, that is called e-marketing strategies, they will say it, okay. Next, banner advertisement. Banner advertisement is nothing but when you open a website, automatically the website will have will show you some ads, that is called banner advertisements. Means through whatever the pamphlet we are having, same like that only in phone also will easily get to know, no. That is called banner advertisement. Next, offline advertisement is nothing but where you can promote it by telephone, radio, or pamphlets like this, okay. Spam emails every day we will get to know, no. every day we'll get to know about the spam emails. So that is called one of the e-marketing technique they will use. In general, you can easily write it in general. Okay, so out of 8 points you can remember any 6 or 7 points, that is enough, no need more than that. And the next important is 5 P's of application. That is 5 P's is nothing but product, price, place, promotion and personalization. What is this means? When we get to know about the product and advertisement and marketing strategies, when you are following, means you need to concentrate about this 5 P's. What is the product? Without product you can't do a marketing. Without a good product, how can you offer offers to the customers? A product as a good or a service that offers it to the customers. Means without having a product, how can you promote your product? How can you promote your product to the other persons? Means in your product, how much quality, low price, this all is important, where you need to satisfy your customers expectations. Okay, in price you need to keep some discounts, offers, coupons, sales, this type of things. Okay, place is nothing but distribution. Means producer and consumer should be having the directly traveling from producer to consumer, that is called place. Next, promotion, how you are promoting your product. Okay, when you promote your product, only everybody will get to know about your product, no? So that is called promotion. And the last one is personalization. This is also important question. What is this personalization point? Is nothing but where you are having some database cookies and like cookies is nothing about the additional security to your personalization. Means customized homepage will get to know, no? So that is called personalization. So these are the 5 P's of e-commerce. This is one of the important question. Okay, this and marketing techniques. Out of these 2 questions, compulsory there will be one question which will be in long. Okay, if you are perfect with long, no need to learn short also. And the next one you are having e-advertisement, electronic advertisement, how electronic advertisement will be there and how a revenue will be given to the electronic advertisement. If you are there doing electronic advertisement, CPM, CPC, CPA, like this type of things we'll have for the promotion money purpose. Means CPM is nothing but cost per thousand. If you are getting 100 views to your video, then how much they'll pay? That is called CPM. Cost per click means how much members are opening that video. That is called CPC. Next, you are having cost per action. Cost per action means after opening, after clicking to that website, how many members are purchasing that product. That is called CPA, sorry. Okay, so this type of things you are having. So that's about the unit number 5. In general, you can write it. If you're having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. All the very best for your examination and preparations. See you all in the next video. Bye bye everyone.